Everyone has that one bike, the one that means more than the rest, the one that takes you on adventures. For me, that bike was Bruno. Bruno is a BMW G650 XChallenge, a single-cylinder motorcycle, one piston, one purpose. Fuel injected with ABS and not much else. No riding modes, no traction control, no screens telling you how to ride. Just throttle, brakes, long travel suspension, and the rider. Lightweight for an adventure bike, built to be ridden off the road, not talked about. We rode together everywhere, through forests, through sand, through bad roads, through good days. Bruno was never a showroom bike. He was a working bike, dropped, scratched, broken, and trusted. Then one day, the ride stopped. Bruno's engine was damaged, and he ended up standing still, put up on a garage wall like a memory. He stayed there for years, not dead, just waiting. At the Outduro Scout Festival, Bruno came back, not to ride, but to remind where it all started. And that's when I knew it was time. This was not about fixing an old bike. This was about rebuilding the right one. At Rascal Motorcycles, the work began. Proper maintenance, strong foundations, clean work by Alex. The rally tower went on. Now Bruno can see far ahead. The surface was restored, not to look new, but to be ready for real riding again. An auxiliary fuel tank was added. More range, more distance, fewer limits. Indestructible turn signals from hammer leads. A rugged tablet holder by Andy, who 3D prints the right accessories for adventure riders. Duristan luggage for long days and bad weather. Everything chosen for one reason: to survive. This bike is not built for hotels. It's built for the wild. Bruno is ready again. Ready to ride, ready to live outside. Is not restoring something that was. This is a whole new chapter for Bruno, for myself, and Outduro.